from the hatching of pigeon eggs to their nurturing, growth, and eventual role as a source of delicious and nutritious meat. Commercial pigeon farms operate efficiently, utilizing sustainable practices. Learn how the farmers minimize the waste, conserve resources, and maintain eco-friendly facilities. The journey begins with the selection of the right pigeon parents. The farmers identify pairs with the perfect genetic qualities to pass on to their offspring. As the selected pairs bond and prepare to start their family, we witness the tender moments when they arrange nesting materials with precision, creating a cozy and secure environment for their soon-to-arrive chicks. Once the egg is laid, the farmers waste no time. They will soon start to collect all the eggs for incubation process. The first crucial step is careful examination. Our farmer inspects each egg, looking for any irregularities or signs of damage. Only the healthiest eggs make the cut. Now, it's time to place these chosen eggs into the incubator. The incubator provides the controlled environment necessary for the development of the embryos inside. Hygiene is paramount. The farmer maintains a clean environment to prevent contamination, ensuring the embryos remain healthy and disease-free. And then, the magical moment arrives. Newly hatched pigeon chicks are delicate and vulnerable. The farmer returns the chick to its nest, reuniting it with its parents. The parents greet their chick with soft coos and gentle pecks, re-establishing the bond that was momentarily interrupted. As the chicks chirp with excitement, the parents regurgitate a special pigeon milk from their crops, a nutritious meal tailored to the needs of their growing offspring. Watch closely as the chicks eagerly accept the offered meal. Their tiny beaks open wide, and they hungrily lap up the nourishing sustenance provided by their loving parents. As the days pass, the chicks undergo a miraculous transformation. They grow rapidly. As the days turn into weeks, the chicks undergo a remarkable metamorphosis. They grow in size, develop strength, and their once hidden eyes slowly begin to open. Around 4 to 6 weeks of age, the young pigeons matures into a full-fledged adult pigeons. The once helpless chick has now grown into a confident, capable bird. Farmers harvesting mature pigeons, and all the pigeon are carefully vaccinated to receive the necessary protection. This practice is essential to prevent the spread of disease and maintain a healthy flock. Later, relocating them into a larger cage house, where they will have more room to move and socialize with other pigeons, and ensuring their well-being with proper nourishment before they are harvested for meat. Here, the farmers pour the grain onto the feeding trays. The pigeons are fed with nutritious mix of grain until they are harvested. Drip water system is carefully set up. This provides the pigeons with a continuous source of clean water, promoting hydration and health. With a keen eye and gentle hands, the farmers carefully select pigeons for harvest. These birds are chosen for their health and maturity. Once selected, the pigeons are placed into secure transport cages, ensuring their comfort and safety during the journey. Before departure, the farmers make sure that the pigeons are secure in their cages, minimizing stress and ensuring a smooth journey. The transport cages are then loaded onto a specialized vehicle, designed to keep the pigeons calm and protected during transit. With the pigeon harvest completed, the farmers have taken every measure to ensure that the birds are ready for transport or further processing. Once stunned, the pigeons are processed by skilled workers. Every step is performed with precision and care to maintain the quality of the meat. The processing stages include feather removal, evisceration, and careful inspection to ensure the highest standards of food safety. The processing line comes to life as pigeons move along it. Each bird is processed with care and precision, beginning with stunning and ending with packaging. The pigeon meat, which has been processed with precision and care, is now ready for packaging. Each piece is meticulously placed into individual packaging, where it will be protected from external contaminants. The air packaging process begins, sealing the pigeon meat in airtight containers. This method helps preserve the freshness and flavor of the meat while extending its shelf life.